Here it comes. I just saw it. Oh yes, time to go racing. Time to go racing. Just because it's in process, I'm just giving you guys a taste now because it's been so long. But you know, we sent the ECU to Finland. They unlocked it. I put it back in the car and. The decals, like I didn't even know if I like those or not yet. I don't think I do. On the side, the M Performance ones.
Oh, not gonna do it again.
I don't think so. If I can get another one. Hello today, and welcome back. It has been quite a while. I know, I apologize. Right. Shut up, Siri or whatever. We
in 0.1 miles.
This woman. So it's been a while. I know it's been a while.
Right.
You know, the car. Shut the. So we're back. Kind of. We're kind of back. So it is 2025. I think today's January 31st, February 1st, something like that. So been gone for like 5 months or something. I apologize. Serious business. What we're doing right now, so I took delivery of this thing on December 20th. That was when I actually paid for the car. It sat there for a week while they swapped the wheels. They were supposed to do the dash cam. I don't know what happened. Dash cam didn't get installed. Then it went to PPF. Carl, where we're going right now, had the car for 2 weeks, did a phenomenal job. What we're doing today as well, I got the DRLs, I got the reflector deletes, I got the Alpha N front lip, carbon fiber. I already did spacer. I didn't want to show you the car until it was nice and ready to be seen. So today it will be ready to be seen. Sorry to tease you guys with a little bit of an interior clip here, but we are almost at Carl's. I'm gonna check in when we get there. It's good to be back. You know, it's been a while. I tried to film some stuff for you guys. Did an absolutely terrible job. I replaced all my equipment that got destroyed, so we should be good. Yeah, it's been a tough time. It was definitely a tough couple of months. So I'm really happy to be back. Love to be back in a G87, ready to go fast again, ready to run some 9s, and I'm excited. So let's get over here to Carl's and let's get to work. Guys, hope you enjoyed that B-roll. You know, Carl does an absolutely phenomenal job. He's got the same sort of philosophy that I have, although I'm not a professional like he is. If I was, I would do the exact same thing he does with all the same products. So this is what I got going on right now. So as you can see here, the wheel's off. What I'm doing is yellow daytime running lights. We got the reflector deletes over here with PPF on them, and then that's the alpha end front lip, which is going to be going on in a little bit. He helped me get the decals on, those stuck. And I'm doing the DRLs. I got these extra clearance things, so the fender liners. And I'm not showing you what I'm doing. So right here, those like fin looking things, I cut those out on the other side. I got this metal thing that goes flat in there so it doesn't rub anymore. So I did that. I did the yellow DRL and the reflector deletes on the front end on the other side already. The car doesn't have power to it, so it's all right. You won't be able to see, but the reflector delete's so much better. And yellow DRLs are going to be super nice, and not having to worry about rubbing anymore is great. Man, look at how good that freaking car looks, huh? So anyway, let me get back to work. Hey, you know what? Maybe I'll let you guys see a little bit of what I'm doing here. So in here, I'm pulling out the fender liner, which, by the way, if you don't have one of these, you should get one. Electric ratchet. I just got this. I got my dad an extended one, but this one's phenomenal. So there's 13 10 mils in here. You know, they're not too bad to get. They all look exactly the same, just like that, if you can see that. So I'm gonna pull all these out, pull the fender liner out, and then I guess I'll show you guys when I'm cutting this thing out with the Dremel what I'm doing. Oh, I guess I was recording that whole time. Well, we're gonna yank the fender liner out. There's your fender liner. All right, so here's our fender liner. Let's go over here and hack let's hack this thing up. I got tools all over the place here. Here's my Dremel. There it is. Alright, so here's what I gotta do. So I'm gonna cut out all that mesh stuff right now with my Dremel tool here, and I'll show you what we're doing. This replaces it. This metal mesh here, so I get a lot more clearance, no more rubbing. So let me set my camera up real quick. I love Milwaukee tools, dude. So cover your ears. I'm gonna start cutting this friggin' thing. Alright, now comes the fun part, hacking off all this other crap. I'm gonna pause my camera because I don't have a lot of batteries, but we'll be back when I start putting that thing on. Alright, nobody said it ever had to be pretty. Nobody ever said it had to be pretty. But we got it hacked out of there. So now we're gonna start getting this thing in, and this is just so annoying. So Thick Whips, shout out to Thick Whips. He just got a G87 M2, and I've been watching that guy for a while because he likes modding older BMWs, and obviously I'm not as successful on YouTube as him, so I don't have as many BMWs that I can get, but he's got a lot of old ones that I really like. He's got the 1M, the E92 M3. I mean, I always watch that guy because I like his cars, and he got a G87 recently, and this was one of the first mods he did, and I saw it and I was like, oh shit, that looks great. But unfortunately I had to order from Amazon. That's where the link, and I hate ordering from Amazon because it's always something that's not ideal, you know? And that's exactly what happened here. These screws that they give you for this are just so short that they barely freaking reach, and it is really, really annoying to try to get this in. So what we got to do next is I got to actually drill out where it's going to go through. So I'm just going to drill a hole real quick right here. Okay. This tiny little freaking screw goes through that hole that I just made. Hopefully, if I can find it. And then I got this tiny, tiny, tiny little nut that, like, it's so crazy that they did this. I don't know why they wouldn't have used different hardware, because this shit is... That's really, really frustrating. If I could just get a couple threads. Alright, whatever, it'll hold for now. So now, I want to do these two because they're the most annoying, because you have to put the screw through the inside. Of course, this isn't gonna... There it is. There it is. In, done. If you buy these, get longer hardware because those bolts are way too short, and hopefully they stay. It was only 88 bucks, so whatever. And it can't fall out backwards, so I'm not really too concerned. But anyway, we're gonna do the DRLs now. So I'll kind of show you what we're doing up in here, I guess. Oh man, it won't focus. That thing right there. We're gonna pop that bitch out right now. I can't get the white balance to work, whatever. I'll show you guys when I pull it out. It's 3 Torx bolts. I got distracted. I did the DRLs already. I did the DRLs. We're almost done. I'm just putting the fender liner back. 15 bolts. That's it. We're in. Wheel time. I'm just talking to the camera. I'm like, I feel so bad. He's stuck here. Is that the center lock somewhere? All right, lip time. All right, YouTube. As you can tell, I'm definitely somewhere different, and things have changed. So I guess it's time. Let's check out my new 2025 BMW M2. So here it is, guys. This is the new G87. All right, we're back, and I'm in different clothes. It's a different day. Sorry about that. Ran out of time at Carl's, and tried to film something for you guys the other night, but it was too cold, and I just... So this is it. This is the car. So it's Skyscraper Gray, 2025 G87 M2. Obviously it has the black 827Ms on it. I lost the tire lottery, so I got the Advance this time. As far as options, so we did carbon buckets, we did carbon roof. I'll show you guys the inside in a second. We did not do head-up display this time. We did the wireless charger. What else did I do? I did the Alcantara steering wheel. We didn't go too crazy on the inside, although I didn't really hold back either. The only thing I did was I just didn't buy things that I didn't want, but this one's a pretty high spec. MSRP was $86,220, so pretty high spec there. So I went crazy with M Performance options. You can see I got the front air guides, dive planes they call them. We also have on the car M Performance height adjustable suspension. So this is the port height. This is 10mm drop. Once it gets warmer and the roads are better, we'll do that again. And yeah, Performance suspension was a port accessory, so I guess we can go through the port accessories then. So, you know, back here you can see carbon diffuser, carbon wing. We did do the carbon and titanium exhaust tips as well. Those things are so cool. What else? Oh, let's look at the inside. I'll show you. I got floating center caps this time. I did the carbon gas cover again. And, you know, excuse the stuff in here. I had to bring my work stuff today because I had to take a couple meetings from the parking lot here. So the steering wheel is so nice. The Alcantara. I did the Alcantara center thing there. Armrest. I got the buckets, which those buckets are so sick. And yeah, we did nothing too crazy. Carbon interior trim, as you can see. So this one feels a lot more race car. I love the buckets. So as far as like what aftermarket stuff we got on here, so I did get a radar detector this time. I got a Uniden R7 with a blend mount and wiretap. I got the bolster protectors here. Oh, these were the side sills carbon were a port accessory as well. Those are the bolster protectors from IND. I put those on as soon as I got the car. It does have Future Classic spacers on it. So it has 12 mil or 15 mil in the front and 12 mil in the rear. And then it also has it has the MC splash guards. I put those on. I also did yellow DRLs, as I'm sure you saw already. We got those on there, and the reflector deletes from IND, and then an Alpha N front lip. So pretty happy. The car is also completely covered in SunTech paint protection film, and I also did window tint on this one. So we did SunTech window tint as well. So pretty cool. Red brakes on this one as well. I know I had mentioned I didn't know if I wanted to do red brakes again, but we're pretty happy. So this is the new G87. Again, just want to thank everybody for the well wishes and kind words. I'm going to be doing a mid-pipe soon on this thing. I have it at home from Active Auto Work. You know, love Active Auto Work, and also have a bunch of stuff for port injection, or not port injection, ethanol. So we're gonna go crazy soon. We're gonna be running 9s, and I can't wait to take you guys with me. Excited to be back. Great to be back, and we'll see you in the next one.